What's up, guys? It's your boy Henry and I am back with another video. Hey, before this video starts, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get all the videos, alright? Say, we're gonna get straight to the chase. A life of an over-the-road truck driver, daily routine. Well, at least mine. I don't know what the other guys do. I'm by myself, so check it out. I am in this truck. I can stand up in here and it's a mess. That's alright. We gonna clean up later. Shit, I was chilling with my kids this weekend. I ain't had time to do all this here. So while I'm on the road, I will get it done. First off, I did wake up a little early this morning. I said I was gonna start back preparing my meals in the truck because it's really getting expensive out there, and plus I'm gaining too much weight, so I need to minimize what I'm eating or whatever. And, you know, just try to eat a little better and save a little money. You choose, eat out or eat at the house. And right now, this is my house, so I prepared some chops today. Check it out. Look, I already put them in the thing. I'll let y'all see what it look like later. Got a little slow cooker crock pot right here. Got it on slow because I know they go cook pretty fast. Anyway, probably go I got some canned corn and green beans that I could put with it, and some I got some Uncle Ben's rice. This Uncle Ben's rice right here. Pretty good. So I have something to eat whenever I get ready to stop, take my break or whatever. But we gonna roll today. I hope everybody having a blessed day. Amazing life. Striving for the best. You know what I'm saying? So if you're a trucker, you know, be safe out there. And anyway, let's go, y'all. Yeah, guys, let's go. On my way to Maine. Just left off the rest area, did all my do. Eat, brush the teeth, wash my face, check the truck, did all that good stuff. And we on the road. Let's go. Let's get it. Y'all be safe out there, man. Be safe. Watch these cars. Be nice. Courteous. Yep. Gotta go. Yep. Just trying to get it, y'all. Just trying to get it. On my way to Maine. Hit this road, y'all. It's time to go. I got 1777 to go. And if I hear that noise, it's saying I'm going over 69 miles an hour, but it's speeding at 70, so I'm going 70. I done learned to block that out. And just try to make it to the stop safely, you know, I'm at least try to get there for Thursday, which I can deliver Friday. But yeah, I'm trying to get home for Mother's Day, spend with my mom. Gonna be pretty tight, so let's go see how it goes. Hopefully everything goes smooth. And y'all see I got my food over here cooking right here. And yeah, all I can do is just keep on rolling. Keep on rolling. I call it sharecropping the highway. That's what it is, sharecropping the highway. Ooh, Lord, that might be directed the road right there. Okay. I gotta find me a truck stop, man. Look at that windshield. Got bugs all over this windshield. Next truck stop I see, I'm gonna have to pull over because can't see too good through a bug infested windshield. Better safe than sorry, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, got to do that. Got to pull over, man. Next truck stop. Kind of look like it's gonna rain today too, y'all. Look how cloudy it is up there. So try to find us somewhere to wash this windshield.
In 1 3/4 miles, take exit 106 on the right to I-459 north.
I think there's a Flying J up here. I need to wash my windows, guys. But which way I go, it don't say. Clean these damn windows, man. Get some fuel too.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Old Tuscaloosa Highway.
Oh,
turn
pull right
on
up on in now. Wash these windows, get some fuel, guys. Goddamn fuel prices, man. Look at that. Can you see that? $5.69 a gallon for diesel and $4.25 for the diesel salt and DEF. Goddamn fuel getting high, man. The fuel is too high. Rates are low. You gotta keep pushing, guys. Ooh, I had to clean them windows out, guys. Check on my food right here. Wow, look at that. Look at them chops in there, man. I'm gonna go eat good tonight, y'all. Real good. Look at that. I'm gonna go and turn it off and just let it. It's already cooked, so when I get ready to stop, that's what I'm gonna eat right there. Some pork chops, rice, gravy, some vegetables, and yeah. Well, let me tell you, I only got 79 gallons, and that 79 gallons ended up being what, $479 or something like that. That's a lot. I'm going in and get me some coffee, y'all. Pull up into this Walmart because I want to eat my pork chops with a real plate. I'm tired of eating on these doggone styrofoam plates. Don't feel like I'm at home. So I can't keep eating these on these styrofoam plates. These styrofoam plates ain't no good, so I'm gonna pull up on this Walmart right here. Look at that, oh, truck route. Okay, they let the trucks come in here, okay. I'm gonna pull up on here and gonna get this thing.
Turn right onto Ballard Drive, then take the first right.
Let's see, I still got $15.99 to my destination, but I'm finna pull up in this Walmart so I can go and do my thing, you know what I'm saying? Come on, car, get out of my way. Yeah. That's what I'm about to do. Pull up in the Walmart. Yes, lunchtime. See, I got a little Uncle Ben's jasmine rice. Microwave. About a minute and a half. Yep, the rice, the Uncle Ben's rice in the pack. Look at them chops. Man, them chops look good. And I'm gonna get me some green beans. Got canned green beans. And shoot, I'm just gonna stick them on the plate and warm it up, you know what I'm saying? And that's gonna be a wrap. Oh my God, lunchtime. Lunch is served. This looks so delicious. Pork chops, green beans, rice with a little gravy, a little light gravy, well really broth. And I'm gonna end this video, guys, so I'm gonna see y'all next time.